LG Cordzero stick vacuum. I think one of the best parts about this vacuum is that it has such a long battery life. This one is amazing. It comes with two giant batteries, one that sits in the stand while you're vacuuming and one that's used in the vacuum. It's a total of 80 minutes of vacuum time. The charging stand also offers 3 different ways to store it. You can either wall mount it, or you can store it how I'm storing it here by just using the stand that it comes with. It's super sturdy and really compact. All the different attachments can be stored within the charging stand. It just makes cleaning so much more convenient. It also comes with this really cool attachment called the power punch nozzle. This is to help remove and clean deep hidden dust. So I'm going to be using this on my bed sheets. This is going to get the deep dust out of the mattress and out of the sheet to give them a nice refresh. And my sofa, I finally got it clean with the little power punch nozzle and the crevice tool. And the third nozzle I'm going to be using to get this house super clean is this power carpet nozzle. It has these really thick, coarse bristles that really get the dust and dirt out of all of my carpets. I did this all the way up my stairs and on all the small rugs around the house. So just one touch of your thumb, you can turn this vacuum on and off. It makes it super easy to use and there's no complication. You can also adjust the pole length really easily to accommodate for any height. I like to use this feature to reach all the low places without bending too far over and reaching all the high corners around the house. It also helps that the dustbin is a really good size and it makes the overall product really light. Getting into the top corners with my little crevice tool. This vacuum is also very easy to maintain because it has washable cyclones and filters, so you can just take these parts out and rinse them underwater and you're good to go. It's super easy to maneuver around everything with this vacuum. It's really light. I love that I can take it from the floor to the furniture and just get all the crumbs around the entire house. All the carpets and flooring and even the furniture is just so much more fresh. There's no more crumbs, no more dust. Oh, this vacuum is seriously a work of art.